In this video, I am going to answer some of the frequently asked questions regarding VaxCertPH. The first in our list is the question on how to solve the no record problem. To answer this, I will show the step-by-step procedure on how to request record updates or corrections. For example, I found my record, but it has an incomplete vaccination details. As we can see, my first and second dose details show no record. As stated here, I can submit an update record request which can be found below this page. I will scroll down the page. As instructed, I need to click the Update Record to update my details. On this page, I have to indicate the city with a missing or incorrect record. Since my details earlier show no record in the first dose and second dose, therefore I will tick this box and select the city from the drop-down menu. Click Next. On this next page, you can request for name correction. Take note to input the correct details of the field you only wish to update. Since there's no error in my name, I will just leave them blank. Click the drop-down arrow to answer the question if one or two of my doses are missing. I'll select yes and click OK. Click Next. On this page, I need to provide documentary requirements so I can be assisted in updating my record. I already prepared my documents. I will upload my vaccination cards. For every upload, I have to enter a set of characters shown on the screen for security reasons. Click OK. I am also required to upload a government-issued ID. After uploading the documents, scroll down the page to enter contact details. I will input my email address, retype it on this text field, and enter my contact number. Tick this box if you have an urgent international flight. Click the Submit Request button to complete the process. The reference ID will appear on the screen. Copy or take a screenshot of the reference ID. This reference ID will be used to track its status or discuss it over the phone with customer service representative from VaxCertPH team or via email. Click OK. To track its status, open the incognito mode of Chrome. Go to vaxcert.doh.gov.ph. Click the Track Request Status button. Enter the reference ID and first name. Click Track Status. Enter the character shown on the screen. Its status will appear. The page also contains the description of the request status. If the validation of the request remains open for more than 5 days, we can contact VaxCert support at doh.gov.ph or call 8876-1488. Here's the next question. I just got my first dose. Can I get a vaccination certificate? The answer to this is no. You will need your full vaccination details found in your vaccination card to successfully request your VaxCertPH. At least 48 hours after your second dose, you may begin to request for your VaxCertPH through the VaxCertPH website or official VaxCertPH booth of the LGU of your vaccination. There are instances when you search for your record, what you see is a message that your vaccination certificate is queued for processing. The answer to this question can't be found in the FAQs page of VaxCertPH website. I inquired from the contact center. According to the agent, it means the vaccination center, or LGU, might still be in the process of encoding or updating the records. It was advised to check the website from time to time for updates. For the fourth and final frequently asked question for today, can VaxCertPH be generated for those who were vaccinated abroad? The answer is no. The VaxCertPH is available for vaccinated individuals who received their 2 doses here in the Philippines. Per the VaxCertPH FAQs page, Since the record is not within the Philippine Vaccine Information Management System, or VIMS, the request for proof of vaccination will be made from the country where you were vaccinated. If this video has been helpful, please like and consider subscribing to my channel. I hope this video answers your questions about VaxCertPH. If you have other questions or if you know new information, please write them in the comment section below. Thank you!